In today's video, I'm going to teach you introducing Microsoft Viva Connections. Viva Connections is your company's curated gateway to news, tasks, and resources, all in one familiar Microsoft 365 experience. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to use its core areas to stay informed and get work done faster. Start by opening Microsoft 365 apps in your browser and signing in with your work account. From the app launcher or search, look for Connections. Click Connections to open the Viva Connections home experience. If you don't see it, your organization may need to enable it or grant access, so check with your admin. Once you're in, you'll notice that Viva Connections is organized into 4 main areas designed to keep everyone connected and informed: the dashboard, the feed, resources, and spotlight. Think of this as a digital front door to your workplace, bringing the most relevant content to you rather than making you hunt it down. Let's begin with the dashboard. This is your central hub for employee tasks and key resources, surfaced as interactive cards. You might see cards for booking time off, viewing pay stubs, submitting expenses, or starting common workflows. Each card launches directly into the task, cutting down clicks and context switching. The exact cards you see are tailored by your organization, so your view may differ. A helpful tip: scan the dashboard at the start of your day to spot quick wins. Anything you can complete in under a minute from here is time you just saved. Next, explore the feed. This is a personalized stream of updates that aggregates relevant content from across Microsoft 365, such as company news, leadership posts, and conversations. Use it to stay aligned with what's happening across teams and sites without opening multiple apps. Engage with items you find useful. Read, react, or follow through to the source to help the system keep surfacing what matters most to you. Now, head to Resources. This area provides structured access to important company sites, apps, and links, so you can navigate with confidence. You'll often find your intranet home, HR or IT portals, project hubs, and commonly used tools pinned here. Treat resources like your curated bookmark bar, consistent, company approved, and easy to reach from anywhere in Viva Connections. Finally, check out Spotlight. This space highlights key organizational information such as major announcements, policy changes, campaign launches, or leadership messages. It's designed to stand out, so make it a habit to glance here for time-sensitive updates you shouldn't miss. That's it. Open Microsoft 365 apps, choose Connections, and make the most of dashboard, feed, resources, and Spotlight. With a quick daily check-in, Viva Connections keeps you informed, focused, and ready to act.